Hello everyone, Artist Wayne here, and I am starting work on assembling my Prusa 3D printer. It's going to be a big day, and I'm sure there'll be quite a lot of swearing, but wish me luck, and hopefully I can get this thing together and working.
Yes, today I was excited to finally be assembling my 3D printer. And thank you everyone for joining me on my journey into the 3D world. And a huge thanks to the people who shared information with me about nozzles, filament, print files, and general information that will come in handy for a newbie such as I.
Hopefully, putting this together will give me a better understanding on how it works, and if I have any problems, I can easily troubleshoot.
Now, after a quick search on the internet, I came across a YouTube channel called Ifty's Tech Corner. They have videos with step-by-step build guide instructions that are crystal clear and super easy to follow, and made the whole experience of assembling my original Prusa MK4S kit stress-free and a lot of fun. However, I quickly realised what a big job I had gotten myself into. But I just took my time, checked and rechecked every step I made so as not to make any mistakes. Now, Joseph Prusa, who comes from the Czech Republic, head of Prusa Research, became interested in 3D printing when he began studying at the University of Economics in 2009. And what started off as a hobby, a new technology, quickly became his passion. And today, Prusa's design in various versions can be seen all over the world. It's one of the most used printer designs. Now, in the previous video you might remember that I intend to print the Mad Max 2 Road Warrior Interceptor. But back in the day I myself used to create quite a lot of 3D computer generated art, especially all of our Australian muscle cars. Now, whether I can convert my cars into printable models is a question I'll be looking to answer in the future. And I'll tell you what, I will be excited if I can. Anyhow, first I need to get this 3D printer assembled.
I've reached a milestone. The whole frame is complete now. Got a power source, put a Y-axis, I think it is. Yes, the Y-axis motor and pulley, the motherboard. She's all ready for the next stage. Hello everyone, it's day 2 of my 3D printer assembly, and yesterday things took an unexpected turn. This is as far as I got yesterday because there was a part missing in my kit. And although this is extremely disappointing, I'll have to say that everything in the kit is marked in a clear and easy way to find. Every bag has a list of contents marked on it, including all the fasteners, which are in separate bags with the quantity marked on them. There's even a 3D printed tool which makes it easy to put zip ties in hard to get to places. But what about the missing part? Well, it's the belt off this X-axis setup. And what did I do about it? Well, I jumped straight into a live chat with Simon from Prusa, explained what had happened and all about the missing part, and before the end of the day, that part had left the Czech Republic and was on its way to Australia. Now that's service. So when the missing part arrives, which is only in a few days, I will jump back into assembling my Prusa 3D printer, and once again, hopefully in the next video, fingers crossed, I will have it fully built and more importantly, working, so I can do a 3D print. Until then, I'm Artist Wayne Dowson, and thanks for watching everyone.